Good morning, students. In the last class, we have completed C reading, and the name of the lesson is Reaching the Unreached. So, we have completed that lesson and also some some part of comprehension and study skills also we have completed. So, today we are moving to the new unit, and the theme of the unit is humanity. In that, A reading, The Selfish Giant, Part 1. So, today we are going to learn this lesson. Before that, we have a image here. Humanity. Look at the picture given below and answer the questions that follow. So, here they have given a image. There are some questions, we have to answer them. Okay. So, what do you notice in the picture? Students, what do you notice here in the picture? Yes, we observe a little girl and an old man in the picture, and the girl is trying to satisfy the hunger of the old man. And also, we notice gladness in the girl's face and eagerness to eat in the old man's face, isn't it? So, see the second one. What would be the feelings of the man in the picture? Means they are asking what will be the feelings of the man when he was taking that food. So, the man would be thankful to the girl and he would feel happy as he is satisfied with the food given by the girl, and also he would bless the girl to live long, and he would be amazed by the human human nature of the girl, isn't it? So, see the third. Have you ever seen such incidents? What's your opinion on them? So, they are asking you that whether you have seen this type of incidents and what is your opinion on that. Okay, students, now see here. We are now we'll be moving to the lesson. The Selfish Giant. The Selfish Giant, Part 1. Old Giant and the Giant refer to the same character. The Giant is a selfish character, whereas Old Giant is a changed and kind character. So, here we can see two different characters. One is Old Giant and the Giant. So, these two refer to the same character only, means that is not two different persons, it is the one, but old means one is before the change in his nature and one is after the change in his nature. So the giant means is a selfish character, whereas old giant means it is a changed and kind character. So I think you have understood the difference. It is about a one person only, but they are telling in different ways, means that giant when he was selfish, means when his character was selfish, he is called as giant, but later when he realized and when he changed his character into kind character, so at that time we call that person as old giant. So this is the difference you have to understand. An old giant addresses the audience directly. The action plays out behind him as he describes it. So, this story an old giant is telling to us. So, when he is means he is telling directly to the audience. So, when he is telling this story, the action plays behind him as he describes it. So, it is like a role play. I think you will understand. Listen carefully while explaining. Old Giant means when his character is kind. So, Old Giant is telling that I once owned a large, lovely garden with soft green grass. Here and there over the grass stood beautiful flowers like stars, and there were 12 peach trees that in the springtime broke out into delicate blossoms of pink and pearl, and in the autumn bore rich fruit. The birds sat on the birds and sang so sweetly that the children used to stop their games in order to listen to them. So, what this old giant is telling to us, he's telling that once he owned a large, lovely garden with soft green grass. So, he was having a large garden with large and lovely garden with a soft green grass, and here and there over the grass stood beautiful flowers like stars. So he's saying that here and there some flowers were there on the grass. So what is his opinion is those flowers look like stars in the grass, and also there were 12 peach trees. Peach trees means trees bearing round fruit with soft red and yellow skin. So there were 12 peach trees that in the springtime, he's telling that it will broke in springtime into delicate blossoms of pink and pearl, and in the autumn bore rich fruit. So the birds sat on the trees and sang so sweetly that the children used to stop their games in order to listen to them. So what he's saying is birds used to sit on those trees and sing so sweetly that children used to stop their playing and listen to the music, means listen to those birds. Every afternoon, as they were coming from school, the children used to go and play in my garden. But one day I came back. So every day afternoon, when the children used to come from school, they used to go and play in his garden. Whose garden? Old Jane's garden. But what happened one day? He came back, means he went somewhere and he has returned to his place. So I had been to visit my friend, the Cornish ogre, and had stayed with him for 7 years. After the 7 years were over, I had said all that I had to say, and I determined to return to my own castle. When I arrived, I saw children playing in my garden. So where did he went? He went to visit his friend, the Cornish orgy. Orgy means a cruel and frightening giant who eats people. So he went to visit his friend and he stayed with him for 7 years. And after the 7 years, he said what he wanted to say, and uh, he determined to return, means he returned to his own castle. So and when he arrived his own castle, he saw children playing in his garden. So the giant, so giant means when he was selfish, isn't it? So what did he say? What are you doing here? Then when that giant said, what are you doing here, immediately the children ran away. Then the giant, what did he said? My own garden is my own garden. Anyone can understand that. I will allow nobody to play in it but myself. So when that children run away, the giant was saying that this is my own garden, and I will not allow anyone to play here except myself. So the old giant points out the younger giant working on a wall, putting up a sign and then listening at the wall. So what did old Jane say? So I built a high wall all round and put up a notice board. Trespassers will be prosecuted. I heard the children whispering outside the wall on their way to school. So, as he was selfish, he didn't allow anyone to play in the garden. And what did he do? He built a high wall all round. Means he has built a high wall in the garden, means not to allow anyone inside the garden, because he don't want anyone to play in his garden, isn't it? So for that sake he has built a high wall, and he put a notice saying that trespassers will be prosecuted. And he also heard the children whispering outside the wall on their way to school. So trespassers means persons who go into land without permission. So what he said is, people who go inside without permission will be prosecuted. Saying like that, he put a notice: trespassers will be prosecuted. So uh, he heard the children's whispering, means speaking quietly. So outside the wall on their way to school. Tall girl means there were different children, so he have given different names to that children. So tall girl, what she is saying now, means he heard that children whispering outside the wall on their way to school. So what they were talking is explained by the old Jane. So tall girl, what she is telling, now we have nowhere to play. So that girl is telling that we have no place to play. And the short boy, he was telling we can play on the road. So he's telling that we can play on the road. And the square girl, what she is telling, but the road is very dusty. So she's telling that uh, we can play on the road, but it is very dusty. Then the graceful girl, what she is telling, and full of hard stones. She means they are explaining the condition of the road one by one. One has said that it is very dusty, and the graceful girl is telling that it is full of hard stones. And the round boy, he said, I don't like it. Means that boy don't like to play on the road. And immediately, what did the graceful girl said? Let's walk around the wall when our lessons are over. At least we can talk about the beautiful garden inside. So what that graceful girl said is, after we complete our lessons, we will walk, at least we will walk around the wall uh, and talk about the beautiful garden inside. So the tall girl said, how happy we were there. So she's telling that how happy we were, means before building that wall, these children used to play in that garden, isn't it? So she's telling that how happy we were there. And the round boy was telling that he is a very selfish giant. So the round boy is telling that he is a very selfish giant. And then by listening that word, the giant opens the door in the wall and shouts at the children. So by listening that children are calling her very selfish giant, he got angry and he opened one of the door in the wall, and he shouts at the children. So till here I think you have understood the story. There are some hard words for you. Selfish giant, character, audience, peach trees, delicate, autumn, determined, trespassers, prosecuted, whispered. And your home assignment is write hard words in your notebooks. Students, I have given you the hard words. Write them neatly without any spelling mistakes, and also learn the spellings of the art words. And we will be completing the remaining part of the lesson in the next session. Thank you. Have a good day.